Okay, welcome back with another video. Today I'm going to tell how you can download the software that's name I could call PGSharp. So it will be a good and tutorial video for you and just a simple video that is gonna help you while in managing or downloading the software that name PGSharp. So let's see. First, we are going to search on the Google, then see the requirement, which website, PC file zone. That is the website I recommend to my users to follow up, and you can see AI is mentioning it as well, and it is full of free software hub you can call also. Okay, so let's see. That is open first, and there I have mentioned all the things. One by one, and you can follow up them as well, step by steps as well. So the here is the software name. Okay, we are going to understand how we can use, how we can download PGSharp best Pokemon Go Spoofing. That is here you can see. Uh, it's a very amazing software, and you can download and use for yourself as well and without moving physically. Many users trust PGSharp for safe and smooth spoofing. What is PGSharp? So first of all, you should know about it and why do you really know and what are the issues you are facing. PGSharp is an Android app. It allows GPS spoofing in Pokemon Go. It was most popular before. Now I am not listening this word as well. You can move your character anywhere in the world. You do not need root access. The app works smoothly on most Android devices. And PGSharp version I have mentioned, version 1.1 offer better performance and improved stability. It reduces crash issues and okay, improve gambling. Top features you should know: joystick for easy movement, teleport to any location instantly, auto walk feature for hand free. Okay, so why choose PGSharp? PGSharp offers simple interface. It loads fast and runs. It loads fast and runs smoothly. You can explore rare Pokemon location. Okay, PGSharp also update regularly. Develop epic bugs quickly and add new features. Okay, how you can install PGSharp. You can also ask to the AI and understand the easy ways. You can see the website and install Pokemon Go, download APK. That is another topic we will discuss in our next video, or we will try to figure out what the basic or pain point you are facing. So you can mention your issues, cautions to the community. We will discuss and hope to fix as well. So okay, that's all for now. It was just an information video I made. Okay, we'll meet in another video. So that's all for now. We'll discuss when something we will discuss new on our new video. Thanks for now.